Welcome, beautiful souls. Today, I'm sharing how you can balance your solar plexus chakra to harness inner strength and confidence. The solar plexus chakra, or Manipura, is the third chakra located around your navel area. Think of it as your personal sun radiating energy and vitality. When balanced, it fuels confidence, self-discipline, and personal power. But how do you know if your solar plexus chakra is out of balance? You might feel low self-esteem, indecisive, or even experience digestive issues. Don't worry, I've got some simple practices to help you realign this vital energy center. Let's start with something basic, breathwork. Find a quiet space, sit comfortably, and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose, let your belly rise, and exhale through your mouth, letting your belly fall. Repeat this for a few minutes, focusing on the area around your navel. This conscious breathing helps activate and balance the solar plexus chakra. Next, incorporate affirmations into your daily routine. Repeat phrases like, I am confident, I am strong, and I am in control of my life. Saying these affirmations aloud or in your mind sends powerful, positive vibrations to your solar plexus. Another powerful practice is incorporating physical movement. Yoga poses like the warrior pose, boat pose, and sun salutations stimulate the solar plexus area. These poses not only strengthen your core but also ignite your inner fire. Diet also plays a crucial role in balancing your chakras. Incorporate yellow foods like bananas, corn, and yellow peppers into your diet. These foods carry the vibrant energy of the solar plexus chakra. Herbal teas like chamomile and ginger can also be soothing and balancing. Visualization is another effective tool. Imagine a bright golden sun at the center of your body, radiating warmth and light. Visualize this light growing stronger with each breath you take. This simple exercise can work wonders in balancing and energizing your solar plexus chakra. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of self-care. Engage in activities that make you feel joyful and confident, whether it's dancing, painting, or spending time in nature. Self-care nurtures your soul and strengthens your inner power. Remember, balancing your solar plexus chakra is a journey, not a destination. Be patient and kind to yourself. By incorporating these practices into your daily life, you'll begin to notice a shift in your inner strength and confidence. Thank you for joining me on this journey towards inner balance and empowerment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more enlightening content. Until next time, stay radiant.